Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you beautiful window charm decorate ideas. So I hope you guys to enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. What is a wind charm? A wind charm is a hanging decoration. It makes soft and sweet sound when the wind blows. It brings a calm and peaceful feeling to your home. Now let's start with ideas. First idea is button window charm. Take colorful button of different size. Use thread or string to tie them together. Make long hanging lines of button. Attach all strings to a stick or ring. Hang it near a window or balcony. When the wind blows, let's move and look very pretty. Second idea is shell wind charm and friends. Use seashells if you have them. Tie shells with thread carefully. Attach them to a wooden stick. This gives a natural and beach style look. It also makes a soft and relaxing sound. Third idea is paper wind charm. Use color paper or craft paper. Glue cut shapes like heart, star or flower. Hang them with thread. This is perfect for kids and very easy to make. Metal spoon wind charm. Use all spoon or small metal items. Tie them with strong thread. When they touch, they create a soft sound. This gives a unique and creative look. So I hope you guys should enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.